Go, you almost shoved me.
Oh. Sorry. I know.
Oh my god!
Did you get eliminated?
Yeah, I'm so mad.
Can you not grab me, please? Derpy the derpy derp. You derp. This and the pineapple is like my new favorite skin. Oh.
Good, the racist level.
The racist level.
I use that excuse for every game.
Oh my god, I'm next to Peppermint.
Of course. Oh, see, I'm over here lagging. Yeah, I swear, the next one y'all push me, we gon' have an issue.
Okay, I made it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Come on, please.
No!
Barely make it, barely. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes, that was close.
Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. I made it! I made it! I qualified, yes!
Ooh, that was close.
Oh, Axel finally qualified.
He did! And it's the hard one too. I'm proud of him. I'm proud of you, Axel. I'm proud of you.
Axel, good job. We're proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
He's like, don't look down on me. I'm gonna beat your ass.
I'm not looking.
Want the Uganda chocolates?
If Fall Guys comes out on Nintendo Switch, I want Nintendo exclusive skins.
Except for the artsy. Fuck, I can't talk. Yes, just let me punch through all these doors. Okay, that's another one done.
Dude, this apple just glitched. He just went backwards. Like, all of a sudden I watched him go through the door, and all of a sudden I saw him teleport right behind us all. No! You dick! You jumped on me!
I made it. I just like how we all jump at the finish line.
Yeah, I know, right?
Dude, it gives you that boost.
Oh, Axel, you're right there!
Dang.
You were right there, too. You had to fuck someone over?
You just had to F someone over.
You just had to fuck someone over, did you? And we're okay, now this one we stay up all night and we go to a street and we party and we drink.
Oh god.
Don't hold that on to me. Don't hold on to me. Stop holding
Someone's
on to
holding
me.
on to me. I swear.
Okay, no problem. I can't hang up the call though because of
Yeah.
I'm in the match. Oh,
This match you don't want to fuck up.
You don't
I know, right?
want to mess up on this one. You definitely don't.
Oh, some people already got eliminated.
Good.
I'm fine.
Oh, okay.
Oh, here we go.
Alright, it's gonna get smaller and smaller. It's gonna be hell.
Yeah.
I'm scared. These pushers though.
Well, I'm trying to get space.
No!
I made it.
Fuck!
I'm saving this video just for that one, and it's going on my YouTube channel.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
I'm turning this. Brad, you're about to become a meme. You are becoming a meme.
Okay, good.
Do my guess.
Fity F F F.
Okay, Terrell, you're the only one.
NANI? What? 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 Oh, FD, F.
I got caught by someone, so that's why I died.
Okay, Terrell, you got this.
I hope so. I'm gonna let them choose. Come on.
Don't forget to say fuck.
Fuckity, fuck. Feel like, oh, let me remember.
They're holding on to you.
Okay. Yeah, if I fall,
You got
I
this.
will.
You got this. It's head.
I like it.
Oh, FD, F.
Ignored the one step.
Terrell, no.
I'm not losing this.
Why are they all just standing there?
Because as soon as one person makes it, they win.
You got this.
Yes. It's that last jump that scares me every time.
You have one more round left.
One more. Oh my god, this is it. I hope it's the hexagons too, because I have a good strategy for that one.
I love
This one is easy.
Yeah, this one is the easiest one.
I want to be the guy on the other end though.
Look at the pineapple all by himself.
Yeah, I wish I could be the pineapple. All by myself.
Remember the things.
You spin me right around, baby, right around like a record, baby, right around. Oh, this one disappears.
Yeah.
You spin me right around,
if you stand on the platform,
Yeah,
then you're
careful, the
good.
platforms fall, so.
Yeah, I know.
Over time.
If you fall in the slime, you win, Terrell.
If I fall in the slime, I lose.
Yeah. No. Oh my God, Terrell, no, you're by yourself.
Oh, I'm screwed.
You might have to do a Superman jump.
Yeah. Oh no,
Oh,
he
okay,
can't.
never mind, you might be screwed full,
Yeah, I'm screwed full time. I'm screwed full time. Watch, they're gonna black person me. Yep, see?
Yep.
Black players matter.
You're dead.
Black players matter. Black players matter. Let's see, we're gonna get this black dude on the other side. Hold on, baby. Let me get that. Hold on, baby. Let me get that. Hold on, baby. Let me get that.
Sorry, I'm taking him on.
Damn, Chris is getting louder. Someone playing Star Fox.
How do you like my pink skin? Baby pink.
I'm gonna dog.
I done for that shit. I'm like at the I'm like at the
I see you, Nico. You're in front of me.
I made it.
I made it too. I was right behind you, Nico.
Try to make it.
That's right on.
Oh, I'm not gonna make it. You know why?
No.
Racist level.
My name is Cisnio.
They've got my son!
Are you Oh my
Get
god.
off of me!
Never had
I
mice.
hate this little mosh pit right here.
I somehow got through, I don't know how.
Okay, this fan blade. Help me!
I swear that guy is supposed to be like SpongeBob because he looks like he's wearing boxer shorts with pineapple. I'm in the middle again! Woo!
They got the police! Help me! They've got my son!
Dude, I am number 3rd place!
You're third place, you said?
Yeah.
Nice.
You jumped on my head, you birch!
Punch, you first?
Fucking.
Called him a birch.
Are you?
Which makes no
Oh my
sense.
god.
What is a birch?
Oh, I thought you said farch.
Oh my god. Every time I jump for it.
Okay, why they spawn me like that?
I made it. Finally.
I'm trying to make it. Okay, okay. I'm about to make it. I make it! I make it! I make it! Oh
Oh
god.
god.
Oh god.
Fuck tail tag. Fuck tail
Oh,
tag.
God.
Fuck tail tag.
Come on, baby.
I just have to say one thing.
And this is
Fuck
this
tail
is
tag.
team tail tag or just regular tail
No,
tag?
this is. Well, I have a tail. I have a tail.
I got a tail. Shoot, why am I telling y'all I got a tail? Great for me.
No, son of a bitch, so it's on my tail already.
Ow.
I don't want them to get my tail.
No, nobody can get my tail. No, get away from me. Dang it.
Hey!
Thank you.
Give me that back! Give me my tail back! Look what you did!
Wrong person.
Look what you did!
I want to
Can you-
know.
Give me my fucking. Okay, I have my tail. I have a 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 tail. I have a
Hey,
tail.
hey!
Oh, damn it.
Y'all know, okay. Oh, dang, he just crossed me.
Can you leave me alone? Thank you.
Oh. Okay, I can't grab anyone.
You fucking motherfucker. I love when people are not next to you at all and they somehow grab your tail.
Right. Like straight up.
That happened like 2 times to me.
Oh, right at the last second, of course.
This guy almost got my tail. I want a giraffe skin. I want the neck to be outrageously long and tall.
Do you think they're gonna move this game on PS5 too?
They got her.
Because if they don't, that's kind of bad on their part.
Yeah.
Because this game is just recently new and PS5.
Bro,
is
quit
not
bumping.
A person almost pushed me like on the edge right there.
There you go, you almost shoved me.
Oh. Sorry.
Oh my god!
He needs some milk.
Did you get eliminated?
Yeah, I'm so mad.
Can you not grab me, please? Where are you?
Yeah, he did.
It's really hard to hear you now.
Alright, I'm on home stretch. Home stretch. Alright. To the finish line. Golden
Yeah,
penalty.
hey, Brad, I'm right here. What's up? Brad, wait for me.
I'm not gonna play around anymore because I can see a big wave coming.
Come on, Terrell, you got this. Let's go, Terrell.
No, don't jump. Don't
No,
jump when you're
don't
that.
jump. Don't jump. Don't jump.
Bruh.
Racist ass game. Thank you, my good sir. I don't think I'm gonna make this one though.
Why you say that? No, it's not that hard. Okay, I'm watching you.
Please don't bump into me, y'all. I'm telling you. Oh my god, y'all too close.
You're on the edge, Terrell. I don't know if that's wise.
Please let the middle one fall. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm in danger trouble.
Terrell, you got this. Mine's not tough.
Oh!
Oh my god. Terrell, here. No. Oh my god. Come on. No, oh my god. Oh my god, just two more. Come on, Terrell, you got this.
Two more. Dos mas.
Come on, Terrell, you got this.
Just one more. One more. Uno mas.
Just
Uno
one more,
mas.
just one more.
Yes.
One?
Yeah, he won.
I won.
It proves you. I'm bad luck.
No, you aren't, Brad. Stop it.
No, you're not. You are not bad luck.
Hey, Brad, I won with you, remember?
Yes, I died.
That was a good game, Terrell.
That was a heart attack right there.
I knew you had it.
Oh, you were coaching me through it.
I was.
Whew.